Good morning guys. So this morning I thought I would film a little bit of a what I eat in the day for you. So for the moment I'm about to go to work to F45. I'm going to do a session and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to make some tofu scramble. I'll see you guys soon. Okay, so I've just gotten back from work with Billy. We did a little bit of a session in our morning break and it was intense to say the least, but I thought that I would share with you guys my first meal of the day, which is tofu scramble. So I make this recipe probably once a week. It is delicious. I was obsessed with it at one point, but I want to share it with you guys. It is on my blog at plantbasedbody.co. You can find it under Steph's tofu scramble recipe. Okay, so as you can see, I have a cup of kale here. I've got about 4 to 5 mushrooms, quarter of a Spanish onion, and nearly 2 cups of spinach there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use this oil to saute off this, and this first. So there you have it guys, that is my tofu scramble recipe and that is what I'll be eating for breakfast today. So I've added some avocado and some sauerkraut to that as well, which is really good for probiotics. So I'm about to head out and do some shopping, so I thought that I would take some nuts and some fruit with me. So I'm going to do just a few pieces of cantaloupe, do some blueberries and strawberries because they're an awesome source of good antioxidants. And then I'm going to do some almonds, cashews, some pepitas, sunflower seeds and walnuts, which are really high in omega fats, so they're really, really good for you. And then the pepitas are also a really good source of protein. So I've got a small container of the fruit, and then I'll do basically about 3 or 4 pieces of each of these, and I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, so I have my fruit ready to go and I'm going to put it in a little freezer bag with my ice blocks to keep it nice and fresh. I've got my little nuts and also my green tea. So now I'm ready to go out for the day and then I'll come back and I'll have lunch here. For lunch guys, I'm just having a burrito bowl that I made the other night. So this one has a salsa with mango, cucumber, onion. And then I've got some quinoa for protein. There is some corn in there with smoked paprika, avocado, and then a bean mix that I made. And then I'm going to cover it in sriracha. girlfriend Liz's going away party, and I know that the place that we're going to does not have any vegan food, so I won't be able to eat there. So I've decided to make a little bit of a curry before I go. That way I've eaten something and I've got something in my stomach for tonight. So what I've made is a lime coconut chickpea curry. Honestly, I have no idea what I was doing. I was just throwing everything in there. I've got some cauliflower rice here, and then I'm going to put some coriander on top, fresh lime, some chili, and then some bean sprouts. And I've also prepared some snow peas. So guys, there you have it. That is everything that I eat in a day. That chickpea curry will be great for meal prep for the rest of the week. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.